So today we are going to do Siri picks my slime order. So I've done this before, and let's just go ahead and go to shoutouts. So our first shoutout is Jaden Arellano, and then our second shoutout is Hadu, and let's see our third shoutout is gonna be Tong Lu. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know how I do this. So glue's gonna be number 1, and then here's messy because I woke up. 1 and 2, and then color my choice. I have more colors here, and then 3, so 4. I didn't really want a baking soda. So we're just going 1 through 4 today. Hey Siri. Wait, let me put it louder. Pick a number 1 through 4.
It's 3.
3. Color first. That's smart. I think I'm gonna go with so I'm gonna make like a type of shade. That's gonna be this teal with this blue that I got from my Galaxy kit. If you guys saw that, then you guys know what that was from. So let's do like 4 or 5 drops of this because it's very weak, and then 1 drop of this because it's very strong. Alright, let's mix the colors. Oh gosh. Let's mix up all the colors. Okay, so now 1, 2, and 3. Pick a number 1 through 3.
2.
2. Shaving cream. Oh no. Oh no. That doesn't really sound good, but I guess so. So I'm only gonna add a little bit. I'm not gonna shake it because I know something's gonna go bad. So I'm gonna add more later. Okay, so let's just mix the colors. There. The shaving cream color. I hope he doesn't pick 4 next round. That's gonna be very scary. See, look, it makes a pretty nice color. Oh my gosh, it looks like really dark on camera. But it's actually pretty light. And it's not the same color as this one. Alright, please Siri, don't pick 2. Pick a number 1 through 2.
The answer is 1.
Oh, phew. Okay, thank you. So that means saline is last. Oh my gosh. Oh, don't worry. I have another glue bottle. So, yeah. I'm just gonna dump the rest in. I don't even know how much it is. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Empty out. Empty. Empty out. Empty out. Okay, just be right back. I'll hold this for a while. Okay, so I think I've been holding it for like a pretty long time now. So let's just put this away now. Throw it away because I think it's empty. Oh gosh, garbage. Okay, let's mix. Okay, I'm definitely gonna add more sugar. Oh my gosh, I think I added way too much glue. There's a lot more glue than I thought there was gonna be. Alright, now I got more sugar cream. And let's explode! The fluffiness exposed. Boom. Ding. sorry, my friend texted me. That's why I have my iPad here. I have a phone too, so don't worry. Be like, oh, you're so young and retarded. I already know that. Okay, I think I'll add more color too. Look at that fluffiness. So look at that color. Let's add one drop more blue. Beep, beep. Oh, oopsies. So that's supposed to be the color. Look, greenish bluish. But it's not at all. Alright, there you go. Well, okay, let's mix it all up. Okay, this is question of the day. Make sure you guys comment down below. Okay, wait. Okay, so I know most people that make slime have their best, they call it their best slime. What color is your best slime? My best slime is this whitish pinkish one, purplish sort of, and it's like glossy slime sort of. And I might show you in the video. Alright, let's have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that looks like a lot. Our slime is done. I'm just kidding. Let's play with it. I always do this when I have saline solution. I like to touch it because like when I touch it, it doesn't get to my hands. Well, maybe just a little bit to my hands. So I like get a section and I like make that slime already. Then I get more solution, mix it up. Oh no, this needs a lot more shaving cream. I could see it already. And I'm probably going to be filming tomorrow, so stay tuned for today's video or maybe tomorrow's video. Alright, let's mix with my hands. Okay, I'm gonna be back when I'm finished kneading this. Okay, the slime is all done. It actually didn't take me a long time, and I was just like, mix, and then like you saw before, my hands were like trapped, help me. Like, mix, a bit of shaving cream. Skirt. Bam! It's all done. And then there's my fluffy slime. This one's not that bad of an order, but I don't think I would ever do this. So this was a slime. So now let me get a container real quick and go. Show you my favorite, even though I have better slimes, okay? I only have not a lot of slimes. I only have my new slimes here because I have more slime in my room. Well, upstairs. Let's go back here. And I don't want this to get too crowded here. So I just have a few slimes down here. But the ones that, oh my god. Okay. Here we go. So this is a slime. It's supposed to be glossy. See, it's glossy slash liquidy, jiggly slime. And I like this slime because like it looks sticky, but it's actually not much. Ready? Oh no, my hands are stuck. Okay, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want a shout out, you guys know the drill. See you guys next time. Goodbye.